The Air Jordan 5 is once again rising in popularity, and with that momentum, more classic colorways are expected to return. One of the most anticipated releases is the Air Jordan 5 White and Metallic, which is reportedly making a comeback in 2026. Originally released in 2000, this pair offered a clean and timeless look, featuring a smooth white leather upper paired with sharp metallic silver accents. These details appeared on the iconic shark tooth midsole design and the large reflective tongue, giving the silhouette its signature edge. According to trusted sneaker sources, the 2026 retro will include notable updates inspired by the original 1990 version. This includes the return of Nike Air branding on the heel and a revised 23 heel number that better matches the OG style. While official pricing and size run details have not yet been announced, full family sizing is expected. The images circulating are mock-ups, but they closely represent what fans can expect from this highly anticipated release.